Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essential. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your cache files on your PC. To do so, you first need to reboot your PC and then press Windows R, which will bring up your run command. And now type in %temp and then percentage again. Press OK. So which will bring up to your temporary files or your cache files of your computer. Now just press Ctrl plus A, which will select all the files, and then click delete. Then click continue. Now wait for this. Click on this, do it for all current items, and then skip. So guys, this is how you do it. This is how you clear all your cache files on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Chase.